Stay tuned guys, it's actually amazing DIY for your dark circles. What's up people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another vlog. My today's video is actually a beauty vlog. It's a skin care vlog, and I'll be sharing few of the skincare moisturizer. These are all drugstore, they're not expensive, they're very reasonable, and these are the moisturizer which I'm using. So they are tried, tested, so that's why I thought I should review them and I should share my experience with you guys. So my today's video is all about these drugstore moisturizer. So let's start now. Before starting, if you're new to my channel guys, please subscribe. The link is right there. Please subscribe to my channel. This will just take a minute, but it will mean a lot to me. And don't forget to press the bell button so that you get notified every time whenever I upload a new video. So now let's start with today's video, and let's start reviewing these amazing drugstore moisturizer. Number one drugstore moisturizer which I'm using, and it's actually one of my favorite. Okay, first of all guys, let me tell you my skin type. My skin type, it's an oily skin plus combination skin. My T-zone is oily and rest of the skin is a combination skin. So these are the moisturizer which are actually perfect for oily skin type and combination skin type. I have few moisturizer for dry skin as well, so stay tuned guys. And in my today's video, in the end, I'll be sharing one DIY with you all, so stay tuned guys. It's actually amazing DIY for your dark circles, under eye dark circles, so stay tuned. And now let's start with the video. So the number one drugstore moisturizer, which is one of my favorite, and this is actually my second pack. So this is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It is so amazing guys, this is so fantastic. It just absorbs into the skin so perfectly, you don't feel anything, and this is actually perfect for this season. And it's not, since it's water based, it's just quickly get absorbed. And let me just tell you, the texture is so nice. It's like a gel form. It's a blue gel sort of a thing. So, and the texture is so amazing. It just smells like aqua, which is like perfect. So this is one of my favorite moisturizer, and this is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's not expensive, it is worth buying, and it actually gives the moisture to your skin equivalent to a high-end moisturizer, I feel. And this has hyaluronic acid, which is fantastic for your skin as well. So this is perfect for oily skin and combination skin. Actually, this moisturizer lasts for almost 7 to 8 hours. You don't need to put anything. So this is one of my favorite drugstore moisturizer. This is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Alright, next is this moisturizer. This is again water-based moisturizer. It is actually for acne-prone skin and for combination skin as well. This is a night gel by Plum. This is a night gel by Plum, and it is a green tea night gel. It is so amazing guys. I actually have used, this is again my this is my third pack, and it's super cheap. It's not expensive, but it's worth buying. And it is again a gel base, water base, so it's not like too much on your skin. This is a green color gel moisturizer, and again the finish and the fragrance is so amazing. So this is another drugstore moisturizer which is one of my favorite. This is Plum Green Tea Night Gel. Now next is this moisturizer which is quite amazing, and it is super cheap. This is a Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. This has hyaluronic acid, this has vitamin E, which is like perfect for glowing skin. This is again a gel based moisturizer. It's again very light moisturizer, which is perfect for your day wear, for your daytime, for your nighttime as well, because since it has a hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which works pretty well for on your skin at night and during daytime as well, to give you a glowing skin. I've been using this as well, and it's a oil free moisturizer because since it's a gel base, so there's no oily, you won't feel any heaviness on your face. So this is again one of my favorite, and it's very cheap. I think this pack is almost for like 290, almost 300 rupees or something. This is 150 grams, and it's actually worth buying, guys, trust me. So this is another drugstore moisturizer which is quite amazing, quite fab. So and all the moisturizer whatever I'm showing you, I've been using them. They're quite nice and they are actually very good. Next is this moisturizer by L'Oreal. It's a day cream moisturizer, guys, and it is a whitening range by L'Oreal. So this is for the whitening and for your even tone of the skin. It's a cream based moisturizer, not a gel based. This is almost over. It is quite nice, guys. That's what they say, that it gives instant glow to your skin. It is not bad. It is worth buying, and it is not expensive. It's a drugstore moisturizer. So I would suggest this, that if you have a combination skin, then you can go for this L'Oreal Day Cream Moisturizer for the whitening and even tone. Even the L'Oreal has a night range as well. The one which I'm using is for firmness and for elasticity, and it's an anti-wrinkle moisturizer. This is again very good. It's again a cream based moisturizer, and it is actually, the fragrance of this moisturizer is quite good. So this is another one which is quite amazing and quite nice. So these two is moisturizers which are not bad, which are quite worth it. This is the day care, and this is the day cream, and this is the night cream, and it's not expensive. It's a drugstore moisturizer, so you guys can try and go for these two moisturizers. Now let's move to the next. Next is this, my all-time favorite, my all-rounder. This moisturizer is an all-rounder moisturizer. It's a drugstore moisturizer again, not expensive, and most of the makeup artists, they use this before makeup. In fact, in my shows also, that's what we do. We use this moisturizer before makeup, and it is quite amazing. This is a very light base moisturizer. It's a Nivea Soft Moisturizer. This has vitamin E as well, and it is amazing, guys, and it's perfect for all skin type. Even in summers or winters, this is just perfect. If your skin is too dry, then you can get the blue pack of Nivea Soft Gel as well, so you can use that, the blue Nivea pack. But this is a perfect lightweight moisturizer, and it's a Nivea Soft Drugstore Moisturizer, and it's the #1 moisturizer for me. Today again, under my makeup, I've used this, and then I've used the primer after that, but this is worth buying. So this is moisturizer which you all can try, and you will not regret it, guys. Now let's move to the next. The last but not the least is my favorite moisturizer. You can use this as a moisturizer, you can use this as a pack, and you can use this in so many ways. Yes, I'm talking about aloe vera gel. It's a normal organic aloe vera gel. You can get this anywhere, and it is so amazing that you all know aloe vera gel has so good for your skin and for your hair, and this has so many benefits. So you can use this as a moisturizer, you can use this as a pack, apply a thick layer, and then you can use it as your night cream as well. So this is a all-rounder moisturizer again, and it is quite amazing. So DIY for under eye dark circles is using this aloe vera gel, and using this vitamin E oil and the cold press almond oil. So by mixing these three, you just have to use a little bit of aloe vera gel, then 2 drops of vitamin E oil, then and 2 drops of cold press almond oil. Just mix it well, apply it on your under eye, around your eye, and just sleep with it overnight. Trust me, guys, within a week you'll see the difference. It's so amazing. So by using aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil, and almond oil, this is like perfect DIY for your dark circles, under eye dark circles. Yes. So these were the moisturizers, drugstore moisturizer, which I wanted to show you guys, and I wanted to review these moisturizers to you guys. They are worth buying. They are tried and tested, and they're not expensive. So you guys can try and let me know in the comment section section how did you like it. So that's all from my today's vlog. I'll be doing vlog on expensive range of moisturizers also, so you guys stay tuned and keep connected to my channel. And if you guys still hasn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. The link is right there, and you can follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box, and don't forget to press the bell button so that you get notified every time whenever I upload a new video. So that's all guys, that's all from my today's vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. And keep connected guys, I'll be doing vlogs on beauty, makeup, fashion and many more things. So just stay tuned and do let me know how did you like my look today. I'll be doing vlog on this look as well. So stay tuned guys, and this is a very quick makeup look which I'm going to show you guys. Stay tuned and keep connected. Ta-da! Stay safe, stay healthy.